Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install and use ChatGPT on Android. To start, open your internet browser in your mobile device. In here, use the search bar and then search for ChatGPT. Once you are now here, select the link that says openai.com. Once you are now on the website, select the button that says Try ChatGPT. Once you're now here, you may now be able to use OpenAI. In here, select the middle icon, the one with the arrow. Scroll down in the pop-up and then select Add to Home Screen. In the new pop-up, give it a name. Once done giving it a name, select Add on the upper right. Close your internet browser this time and head on over to your homepage. Once you're here, you can see an icon that says ChatGPT. Once you select it, you'll now be able to access OpenAI.com. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.